What is up, cravers? Anybody got a taste for some shrimp fried rice and stir fried vegetables? Well, we're gonna be doing it today. But you're gonna have to excuse this TV in the background because little Craver is here with me and I'm on daddy duty right now. You understand what I'm saying? So, and excuse the shirt. This is from my other vlogging channel, Sizzo870 car channel. Getting that started up also. It's been going now for maybe like a year, but I hadn't been adding any content. So worked on that channel today because it's been requested. And I'm also working on this cooking channel. All right, see you in a minute. All right, cravers, meet the co-stars of the show. Some extra small shrimp. I like them bite-sized inside my fried rice. I got about 2 cups of cooked rice here, jasmine rice, that I'm gonna crumble up. You're gonna need some lemon pepper. I use the Mrs. Dash on my vegetables. I got some sweet and tangy sauce right here. I got some shredded carrots, broccoli, 3 eggs, some minced garlic, some minced onion, a little bit of turmeric, ground ginger, soy sauce. Here's some sweet and sour sauce that you can use for afterwards when everything is done. Broccoli, and I have my wok. If you don't have a wok, use the best skillet that you have at home. You don't want to use a pot because it'll make the rice gummy. So the first thing that you want to do is unthaw these shrimp and the broccoli. Get the broccoli steamed, and once these shrimp are unthawed, wash them off and pat them dry with a napkin. Also, I've heard a lot of people say that they don't like vegetables in their fried rice, but if you do, you're gonna need about a cup full of this carrots and peas. Just unthaw that, you'll need exactly a cup full. Most people use sesame oil, but this sesame oil is really strong, so you probably need to dab your finger on it and taste it before you use it because you may not like it. But I just normally coat my pan with a little oil to keep from having so much grease in the pan. So the first thing we're gonna do is get those eggs scrambled. Go ahead and set you up a little dump container, just an old container that you have at the house so that you can dump each thing as you get done cooking because you're gonna end up mixing it all back together. All right, cravers, go ahead and beat your 3 eggs up and get that eye turned up. You want it up high as it'll go. Gas stove is better, but I opted into this electric because I have a generator to power everything in my house whenever it goes off. But I wish I had went ahead and got that gas stove, which I may get in here later because we still have the gas line ran. So while that's getting hot, we're gonna go ahead and spray this pan, or you can use some oil if you want to, but I'm gonna spray it down really good. Go ahead and get it heated up and go ahead and drop your eggs in there. Go ahead and grab my wok spoon. This is what it looks like. I got a wooden one because this is a non-stick one. I'm gonna eventually get a steel wok that I have to season myself, and then I'll have the iron utensils, but I just got what was ready available for right now. So there you go, wok spoon. You're gonna let those eggs cook and let them get nice and fluffy. You're just gonna scoop them around. You can add salt and pepper to them if you want to, but I normally just leave them plain because you're gonna have enough salt and stuff with that soy sauce. So you don't wanna cook them too hard. Just get them done nice and light. Right, CJ? Right. Now see, you're gonna talk all the way through this video, so I'm gonna make you a part of it. You'll be my co-host. All right, CJ? All right, see how those eggs look? That's good enough. Go ahead and take those suckers out. Remember your dump pan that I told you to get? Go ahead and dump them. Go ahead, oil your pan back up. Let it get really hot. Go ahead and grab some of your garlic, about a tablespoonful, and dump it in there. Go ahead and get that worked around in there. Now go ahead, turn your blower on because it's gonna get smoky just like it does in the restaurant. Drop those shrimp in there. You don't want to overcook these. As soon as they turn colors, that's when your shrimp are done. For those of you that are beginners, I do a lot of my videos for beginners. So go ahead and let those shrimp get dark. While those shrimp are getting dark, go ahead and dump you just a little bit of ginger on those. Dump you a little bit of minced onion on that. Get those stirred around. Yeah, CJ. I hope you eat some. Those shrimp stirred up. All right. I'm gonna get these dumped, and I'm gonna pause you for a minute so I can get this wok washed out, because I don't want it scorching. Next, you want to wet your hand and break up that day-old rice. It'll make it break apart faster. Then heating it up, because heating it up probably will make it gummy. And you don't want your rice really gummy. All right, so put your wok back over that heat. Back on high again. Let the water evaporate out from where you washed it before you oil it. Then go ahead and spray that pan out really good, or either use some more of your oil, whatever you want to do. This time, go ahead and get you another tablespoon of garlic. Drop it in there. Get that stirred around. That garlic smells so good. Some people don't like garlic. Get your vegetables, if you want vegetables at this time. Go ahead and drop them in. Go ahead and dump you a little bit more of that minced onion in there. You can use fresh onion if you want to. It just tastes better with the minced onion, to me. It's just my recipe, so you can change it up any way that you want to. Just try to make it for people that don't know how, need a little help. All right, now you're gonna go ahead and drop your rice in. Try to get all of it out of there. About 2 cups full. Go ahead and add you just a little bit of that turmeric that I told you about. Get the kind that sprinkles. Add a little bit of your ginger. Get that all stirred in. You can do a little salt and pepper for taste if you want to, but I try to do less salt as possible in my recipes, which is going to be good just like this. See how it's getting golden? Can you see that, Cravers? Let you know your boy know what he's doing, huh? I always add a little something extra to my recipes because when I taste stuff at different places, like I said, man, if it had a little bit of this in there, it would taste a little bit better. You know, everybody's got their own way. This may not be 100% traditional Chinese, Asian way, but it's my way. So it's the Cravers with Carlos way. All right. Now that you got that in there, I'm gonna add some soy sauce. This is why you didn't need any salt, because soy sauce is liquid salt. Add you some in there, that's enough. Put you about 1/4 of a cup in there. Get that stirred around again. Don't let that rice stick. Move your rice to the side like so. If it's sticking, put you some more oil in there. What it's all about, keeping that pan oil. All right, bring your rice back over. Bring it back over to the other side. Get that other side oiled. But you're gonna get ready to add your shrimp and stuff in there in just a minute. And use your little fork or spoon or something, get all of it off of your spatula. You wanna get all of that. You don't wanna throw any of it away. All right, get it mixed up. All right. Now your little dump bowl, look at that. Look at that, Cravers. I'm gonna let the steam go off of that for a minute. I wanna show you what that fried rice is looking like. When you cook this for your friends, tell them don't hate, participate, congratulate. You see how that's looking, Cravers? Set that back on there. Drop your shrimp and eggs in there out of your dump bowl. Chop those eggs up really good. Let's get that stirred up. Get that pan oil back up. Leave it all the way up. Wok has to be hot. Get you another tablespoon of garlic. Put it in there. Get that worked around. Drop you some carrots in. Now that that's sizzling, go ahead and add some of your minced onion or your regular onion. Go ahead and add some of your ginger. If you can't find this ginger seasoned, or it's just ground ginger, if you can't find that, then get you some ginger root and slice it up really thin. Go ahead and take some of your Mrs. Dash lemon pepper. I'm not going to use that side. We don't want it to dump out on there. So go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of that on there. That mixed up. And those of you that like your food salty, you can sprinkle a little bit of soy sauce in there now. You want to basically get these carrots to where they're almost dried out. But still a little moist on the inside. Like you want them a little stiff on the outside, tasty on the inside. Go ahead and dump that broccoli in there. Get it all mixed in together. And this is where it's going to get tricky, because you're going to have to go with it. All right, you'll get ready to put this sauce in there. Remember the sauce that I told you? Get any kind of sauce you want to. You can just get sweet and sour if you want to, but I like using this sweet and tangy. Sprinkle you a little bit on there. You don't want to drown it. You don't want to overpower the vegetables. But if you like a lot of sauce, you put you a lot of sauce on there. Now you got to start working that thing, because you don't want it to get stuck to the bottom of the wok. I mean, you got to go with it. And the way I found this best is go around in a circle with it. And that way you're scraping the bottom of the pan and keeping it from sticking. Bring everything back down, let it get sticky, and work it back around again. All right, my friends, this is done. I have you some pictures here at the end. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let's get to that 100 subscribers, and I'm going to teach you how to make those Stay Fair turkey legs. Let that steam clear when the smoke clears. Look at that. See you later, Kramer.